Well, looking pretty good. A little bit more to do there. More to do there. Gotta take off Dynamo, which was Diamond GT. But I got the tools for the job. That side's done. Finish that off. Now I just gotta sand the bottom. Get ready for new paint. Dark brown, metallic. And I've ordered it already. She's looking good. Brian painted my hood yesterday, which I sanded and primed last year. And it turned out really nice. Well, it needs another coat, but other than that, it turned out beautifully. One more coat or two more coats on that, and she'll be beautiful. Now if I can find a bumper. Anyway. But it's all going to be nice when it's done. Patched up there. Got to do some more patch. Oh, got all the script off of there. And that's the color it's going to be. Dark brown. And then it's going to have graphics. Back and front, yellow submarine, I think. Long and winding road that leads to one of the doors.